Welcome to our video series, Feature Focus Spotlight by SonicWall. Today's topic, Gen 7 SonicOS 7.1.1, highlighting the powerful NAC integration with Aruba ClearPass. In this video, we'll navigate through the features and benefits of SonicWall's Gen 7, and we'll also see a demonstration of the integration process with Aruba ClearPass. If you are already familiar with the features of SonicOS 7.1.1 and want to see the integration demonstration, you may jump ahead in the time bar below and click on the chapter labeled Aruba NAC Integration Showcase Demo. Whether you're an end user seeking enhanced security or a SonicWall partner eager to empower your clients, this video will explore how the new release can elevate your cybersecurity and make network management effortless. Before we dive into the features of SonicOS 7.1.1, let's take a moment to preview the list of chapters in this video. We open with Setting the Stage, where we will explore the many features of the Gen 7 Firewall series, which is the foundation for our latest SonicOS release. Next is Exploring the 7.1.1 release, where we'll dive into the high-level features and benefits of SonicOS. The next chapter is our spotlight on integrating with third-party NAC with Aruba ClearPass. We'll explain how NAC works with SonicOS. In the chapter End User Benefits, we will delve into the functionality of the Aruba ClearPass integration and why it matters to both end users and partners. Operation of the NAC integration feature gives us an opportunity to explore integration points of Aruba ClearPass. During the Aruba NAC integration showcase demo, we will guide you through a step-by-step demonstration of setting up the new feature. Then, the final chapter is our call to action for you to engage with SonicWall representatives, to ask questions, to explore additional features, and to begin a new experience in network security. Setting the stage. The Gen 7 Firewall series elevates SonicWall's cybersecurity strength by living up to our core mission: deliver unparalleled protection against evolving threats, setting a new standard in security excellence. Gen 7 firewalls form the cornerstone of a robust cybersecurity infrastructure that addresses today's challenges while anticipating tomorrow. Whether you're an IT pro or a newcomer, you will appreciate innovations that strengthen your network security and make it easier to manage. SonicWall goes beyond providing a product; we offer a solution and our commitment to your security. Exploring the SonicWall 7.1.1 release. Managing network security is complex, but SonicWall Gen 7 firewalls offer a straightforward solution that blocks advanced cyber attacks, while it evaluates and mitigates risks, and even simplifies how you manage your network. Gen 7 firewalls play a crucial role in safeguarding organizations against various threats, ensuring continuous protection from sophisticated attacks. Our commitment to staying ahead in cybersecurity is evident through our continuous hardware and software enhancements. Here's what's new in SonicOS 7.1.1. Notable additions include advanced threat protection, a revamped content filter, enhanced DNS security, and seamless integration with Aruba ClearPass NAC. We've also significantly improved multi-cloud deployments based on feedback we received about previous performance and registration processes. Additional enhancements include NSV bootstrapping, token-based registration, and a new driver for NSV that increases overall performance. We also prioritized ease of use and operations by enhancing the app experience with a better user interface. Plus, we added support for Wi-Fi 6 access points. This comprehensive list of improvements reflects SonicWall's dedication to providing robust cybersecurity solutions and engineering user-friendly interfaces and processes. Spotlight on NAC integration. Network access control, also known as NAC, is an integral part of network security. NAC is at the core of how modern IT teams protect businesses from threats and unauthorized access to the network. When you deploy NAC, you'll start with identification and profiling devices within the network ecology. You want to gather as much detailed information about every device. The more you know about every device, the more granular control you have to enforce security policies throughout the network. Next, NAC helps conduct a security posture check on the network and attached devices. This assessment ensures compliance with your security policies. Devices that pass the posture check are set to receive authentication and authorization credentials so users have access to the network. The new integration between SonicWall Gen 7 firewalls and ClearPass NAC establishes a clear and consistent policy framework across your network. Your network administrators have more resources to enforce granular and dynamic controls based on device identity and posture. End user benefits. SonicWall Gen 7 firewalls provide integration with ClearPass NAC through RESTful API. An important benefit of this type of integration is how it offers granular control on policy enforcement based on various factors, such as user role, health posture status, device type, or other attributes. Static security rules can be changed into contextual security rules. Unauthorized users and devices are prevented from accessing other networks through the firewall, which saves network and firewall resources. The integration helps detect closed-loop attacks through SonicWall's security controls and Aruba ClearPass policies, protecting users from threats like malware and ransomware. Operation of ClearPass with SonicWall. In this diagram, the user and device are authenticated by the ClearPass NAC. The firewall will fetch the dynamic user roles and other information from NAC. Among the security context vectors ClearPass can send to the firewall include source IP, source MAC, user ID, user role, domain, device category, device family, device name, OS type, hostname and health posture. SonicWall's Gen 7 firewall uses this data to build policies for traffic enforcement, based on user and device type, and policies for mitigation actions. Now it's time for the Aruba NAC integration demonstration. As discussed earlier, we will guide you through a step-by-step demonstration of setting up this valuable resource. We will set up an Aruba ClearPass server for a Gen 7 SonicWall TZ firewall. Our intent is to enforce a contextual security policy based on a device's identity and posture. The network topology used in this demonstration is depicted on the screen. The Aruba access points access the Internet through a LAN zone of a SonicWall firewall. Aruba will grant access to the access points according to the information obtained from the ClearPass Policy Manager. Our configuration tasks include enabling the Sonic0S API with ClearPass on the SonicWall firewall. We'll create an API client and add a user for the client in the ClearPass Policy Manager. Then, we'll create a server instance in the firewall to test the connection and verify our use case. We'll begin by enabling API in the SonicWall firewall. Open the Firewall Management app and click the Device tab. In the side menu under Settings, click Administration. Click the Sonic0S API sub-tab. The Sonic0S API is enabled by moving the toggle to the on position. Click Accept to save the setting. Next, we'll enable ClearPass on the SonicWall firewall. While still under the Device tab, click Settings under Network Access Control in the side menu. Enable ClearPass by moving the toggle to the on position. Click Accept. The ClearPass feature on the firewall is enabled. The firewall automatically creates a ClearPass deny policy for the traffic from the endpoint. You can see the policy name on the address field in the source box. The presence of this file indicates that all Aruba wireless client traffic will be blocked if the rule is matched. Default address objects have also been automatically created when ClearPass is enabled in the firewall. The groups are categorized into different classes such as healthy, checkup, transient, quarantine, infected, and unknown. These groups are defined for you by ClearPass. The next step is to create an API client in the ClearPass Policy Manager. Open ClearPass Guest app. Click the Administration bar in the side menu. Under API Services, tap API Clients. Click Create API Client on the top right corner of the screen. The Create API Client page appears. We've entered a demonstration, client ID, and description. For operating mode, choose ClearPass REST API. The client will be used for API calls to ClearPass. For operator profile, click the drop-down menu. Here, you see all available profiles. In the drop-down list, select Super Administrator. This is the profile that has the highest authority. For grant type, click the drop-down menu. This parameter determines how the connection between the firewall and ClearPass is enabled. Select Username and Password Credentials from the list. Click the box to enable the refresh token, to allow the use of refresh tokens for this client. Click the box to enable public client. You'll want to do this for trusted public clients. You can specify the lifetime of the access token and refresh token according to your organization's requirements. Click Create API Client to submit. The API client has been successfully created. A user with a super administrator profile is required to enable communication between the firewall and ClearPass. Now, we're ready to add a user for the API client in ClearPass. User Jack, with a super administrator role, was created in the ClearPass Policy Manager. We'll use this profile for setting up the connection. The next step is to add a ClearPass server in the firewall. We're back to the Firewall Administration app. Click the Device tab and tap Settings under Network Access Control in the side menu. Then, in the ClearPass sub-tab, click on ClearPass Servers to open the window. Click Add. The Add Server window appears. In the server name or IP address field, enter the ClearPass Policy Manager IP address. In the server port field, we use the default port, 443. For client ID, this is the one that was created in ClearPass. In username, we entered our Jack user. Click Add. The settings have been updated. And a ClearPass server has been successfully added. Back to the ClearPass Policy Manager. We've opened the Access Tracker page. Notice that ClearPass has accepted the login access by user Jack. The connection between the firewall and ClearPass is confirmed. When testing the NAC integration, note that the policies are applied based on device identity. In this case, the ClearPass OnGuard health status of user local 1 is shown as quarantined. When accessing a local computer, connect via SSID Secure. Credentials of user local 1 is given and the computer is successfully connects to the network. The login information for user local 1 is found on the Network Access Control Sessions page. Client details such as IP, MAC, OS type, and hostname are displayed. Each session will also display the posture of the client. In this example, the posture of local 1 is quarantined. In this administration screen, we can see the address group and IP address of local 1, and that it has also been automatically added to the respective posture group. And in this page, we see that the traffic from local 1 is blocked by the firewall, indicating that the IP address of local 1 has matched with the policy. The firewall, therefore, is blocking traffic from this device. Conclusion and call to action. Gen 7 and Sonic0S 7.1.1 mark a significant milestone in SonicWall's journey to excellence. So, there's more to learn. You can start by exploring your upgrade options. If you are a partner or current SonicWall product user, check the user portal at My SonicWall for the latest features and updates. If you are new to SonicWall, please reach out to your SonicWall representative or solution engineer today by scanning the QR code on the screen. Subscribe for future feature-focused Spotlight episodes for more insights on other developments and updates from SonicWall. Thanks for watching.